All right, let's get back in the kitchen. So this morning, I'm thinking about breakfast, and I've never tried deviled ham in a scramble. So let's try it out. Let's get our pan hot. Should be pretty simple. A little oil. Let's get this in the pan. Maybe a little bit too much oil because there's already fat in there, but learn that for next time. Should still be pretty good. All right, let's scramble up some fresh cackleberries. The salt content on that's a little high usually, so I'm going to add some white rice into it. So I'm going to say right off the bat that if you're going to try this recipe, because we're winging it this morning, don't add the oil before. I mean, it's going to be fine, but you don't need it. I forgot that deviled ham has a lot of oil in it. All right, cackleberries, no salt. Do not add salt. That deviled ham has enough salt. That's why I added the white rice to kind of balance it out a little bit. All right, let's get a tortilla going. Why not? All right. Like I say, we're winging this. Okay. So I'm going to say definitely a little bit of salt. Maybe some salsa, but I don't think it needs it. It's not my favorite. I mean, it's good. It's really good. But it's not like the anchovy scramble we did a couple weeks back. But all in all, it's different. Very satisfying. I'm going to give it an 8 out of 10. Definitely give it a try. You guys stay safe. Have an amazing day. And remember, don't add the oil in the beginning.